friend. Sam loves his teddy bear. But one day, Sam is sad. Oh, where's my teddy bear? Oh, where's my teddy bear? Sam looks everywhere. Under the bed, under the table, under the chair. Oh, where's my teddy bear? Says Sam. Sam asks his mom, "Where's my teddy bear?" And mom says, "I don't know. Ask Dad." And Sam asks his dad, "Where's my teddy bear?" And Dad says, "I don't know. Ask Katie." And Sam asks his sister Katie, "Where's my teddy bear?" "I don't know. Ask Bongo." And Sam asks his dog Bongo, "Where's my teddy bear?" And Bongo says, "Woof, woof, woof." Oh, Sam's teddy bear is in the garden. And Sam says, "Here he is." "Thank you, Bongo." And Sam is happy now. And Bongo is happy too. Everyone's happy. That is the end of our story.